Good morning, kids. Welcome back to our Science 1 in Action under the STEM program. Now, today, Teacher Glenn will gonna teach you a new topic in Unit 2. Are you ready? Okay, good job. Our topic for today is about the sound of an instrument. Now, we are going to learn what are the different sound of different musical instrument. First, we are going to learn about the Thai instrument. The Thai instruments. Thai instruments, kids, is something that's created for making sound like melodies or rhythms. Now, one of the example of Thai instruments or musical instruments is Thai strings instruments. Now, Thai strings instruments use your hands or something on the string. Then there was a loud noise, what was wired for thought called the machine. Now, these are the picture of Thai instruments, and this name of the string instruments is chap, chap. And then we have another one. It is called Fin Guitar Thai, Fin Guitar Thai. So these are the strings instruments. Now, another example of Thai musical instruments is Thai colored instruments. Now, in playing Thai colored instruments, you can use multiple roots. The line merges back and forth to the strings and then a loud noise occurs. So these are the Thai colored instruments. Okay? The name of this is suo. Suo. This is one of the colored instruments. And then another one is treble fiddle, treble fiddle, treble fiddle. Okay, so this is the examples of color instruments. Now another examples of Thai musical instruments is the Thai beaters instruments. Now on playing Thai beater instruments, use your hands or good sticks to produce loud noise. Uses the sticks or hands is called a hitter. Now, these are the picture and the name of the beaters instruments. The Ranad. Okay? Ranad. You can play by using the sticks to beat the music. And then we have long drums. You can use your hands to produce the sound. And also the gongwong. By using the sticks, you can use or you can produce sound. Okay? Now the last musical instruments is the Thai wind instruments. The Thai wind instruments. Now in playing these instruments, you will use your mouth to blow air into it. Then a loud noise came out into it. Okay? So these are the wind instrument, the pipe flute, pipe flute. Then we have also the Pinay flute, Pinay flute. And then we have also Ken flute. Ken flute. So these are the wind instruments of Thai. Okay? So now for you to hear all the sounds of the Thai instrument that you have learned a while ago, just listen and watch from this video. Kids, did you enjoy of listening the sounds of Thai instruments? Is it wonderful? Okay, good job. Okay, very good. Now this time, let us learn also the universal musical instruments. What are the types of universal instruments? Today's universal instruments can be classified into a large categories according to the characteristics of similar sounds. And the characteristics of the instruments are divided into 5 main categories. Okay? What are those? These are the strings instrument. String instruments. The other one, number 2, wind instruments. Wind instruments. And then next is the brass instruments. Brass instruments. And then we have also percussions instruments. Percussions instruments. And then keyboard instrument. Keyboard instruments. These are the 5 main categories of the instruments. Now let us start in number 1. String instruments. Okay, what are those? These are, okay, we have violin, we have guitar or acoustic guitar, and then we have also electric guitar. Okay, these are the strings. Another one is banjo. Okay, banjo. And then we have also a harp. Harp. Okay, so these are all string instruments. Okay, string instruments. Next category of instruments is wind instruments. Wind instruments. Now these instruments will be, or it will be played by using your mouth to produce sound. To produce sound. Okay, these are the instrument, flute. Okay, and we have a type of flute, piccolo flute, and the bamboo flute, and also the clarinet. Okay, so these are all example of wind instruments. Okay, And then we have also brass instruments. And what are those brass instruments? These are the saxophone. Okay? Saxophone. And we have also trumpet. Trumpet. And then also bass trumpet. Bass trumpet. With a big voice or a big loud that comes from this trumpet. Okay? So these are the brass trumpet, the other category of instruments. And another category of instruments is called percussion instruments. Okay, these are the percussion instruments, the tambourine, okay, and then xylophone, okay, and then we have also cymbals, okay, cymbals and the triangle. So this instrument will produce a good voice, okay, a good voice. So what is this? Percussion instruments, okay. And then another one is the keyboard instruments. Keyboard instruments. The keyboard instruments, we have electric organ. Electric organ. And then also the melodeon. Okay? The melodeon. So these are the keyboard instruments. So you will know all the 5 categories of the musical instruments in Universal. Okay? So, for you to hear or to know the sounds of the type of universal instruments, just listen and watch from this video.
Accordion. 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 Acoustic guitar. Acoustic guitar. Acoustic guitar. Cello. 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 Harp. 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 Drums. 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 Saxophone. 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 Harmonica. 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 Electric guitar. Electric guitar. Electric guitar. Piano. 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 Violin. 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 Bongo drums. Bongo drums. Bongo drums. Ukulele. 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 Xylophone. 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 Clarinet. 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 Trumpet. 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 Maracas. 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 Tambourine. Tambourine. Tambourine.
Okay, so as you can hear, the sounds of the universal instrument, is it good? Okay, good to hear, right? Very good. Okay, so let's. Kids, do you know that we can also make a homemade musical instrument by our own? Yes, we can make, kids. Now look at this. Okay, I will show you a videos that we can learn how to make our own instruments. Okay, homemade musical instruments. Please watch and learn from the videos. Okay. See, it's so nice to hear, right? And easy to make, kids, by using only any materials in your home. Okay, like cups, like bottle, okay, plastic bottle and glass bottle, and any materials or tools or objects in your home. You can make it by your own. Okay, and this one, how to make this one? Okay, why they have the bottle have different sound even they are the same bottle? Because, okay, watch this video again just to know how to make or how to make the bottle different sound. See? Easy, right, kids? You can produce different sound in the same bottle because of the waters. Okay, because of the water. So that's it. Okay. So this time, okay. Now for your activity on this lesson, you are going to make a musical instrument that makes sounds. Okay, that makes sound. You can use any object in your home. Okay, and you can, if you don't know, you can watch in the YouTube or in the Google, search in the Google how to make an DIY uh, musical instrument. Okay, and then send it to the link or in a line group. Okay, so that we can check that one if you do your activity. Okay, do you understand? Okay, good job. So that's all for today. So I hope that you learned a lot and you learned something from our lesson today. Kids, thank you for listening. So see you again next time. Bye bye.